In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Notion AI to manage and update your project tracker. To get started, open Notion and go to your project management workspace. This is the area where you already organize your projects, tasks, or team planning. If you use multiple workspaces or pages, just make sure you're in the one dedicated to project tracking so everything stays consistent and easy to manage. Once you're there, create a new project database or open an existing one. If you already have a tracker set up, that's perfect because you can immediately start improving it with AI. If not, creating a database gives you a structured place to manage all of your project information in one view. A database in Notion helps you keep everything searchable, sortable, and easy to update over time. Next, add the key project details you want to track. This usually includes the task name, current status, owner, priority level, and due date. These fields give your database the structure it needs so both you and Notion AI can work with the information more effectively. The clearer and more organized your entries are, the better the AI can help you summarize progress and suggest next actions. After your project information is in place, open Notion AI and ask it to summarize project updates. This is especially useful if your database has a lot of notes, changing statuses, or multiple task entries. A summary can help you quickly understand what's moving forward, what may be delayed, and what still needs attention without having to read through every single item manually. You can also ask Notion AI to create tasks, timelines, or action items based on the project information already in your database. This can save a lot of time when you're planning next steps or turning meeting notes into a clear task list. The more specific your request is, the more useful the result will usually be. So it helps to be clear about what you want the AI to generate. Once the AI gives you an output, take a moment to review everything carefully and adjust anything that looks incorrect. AI can be very helpful, but it still works best when you treat it as an assistant rather than a final decision maker. Double check deadlines, ownership, priorities, and wording to make sure everything matches your actual project needs. Finally, use Notion AI regularly to keep your project tracker updated. The more consistently you use it, the easier it becomes to maintain accurate records, stay organized, and keep your projects moving forward with less manual effort.